This is Alderman John Laesch. On May 13th, 2025, I'll be sworn in as the 60th mayor of Aurora, Illinois. It's the second largest city in the great state of Illinois. And I got here 100% powered by the people without any contributions from corporate PAC funds, people trying to buy influence in City Hall, people who have a contract with or doing business with the city of Aurora. We were funded 100% by people who want to see more ethical government and see a government and economy that works for everybody. Before running for office, I was a union carpenter, a working class person who saw that our government was only working for the wealthy, not the working class. So I am a huge supporter of seeing more working class people step up to run for office, and that's why I'm here today to support the 100 Project, to get 100,000 people across the United States of America to step up and run for office, to recruit, to train, and to make sure that they're prepared to run for office without corporate PAC funds, without being bought and paid for. Thank you for supporting this important project being run by Tom Tresser.